Hello, in this video we're going to look at widgets again for the sidebar over here. I think this could do with a nice image. So I go to my admin panel, appearance, widgets, and I scroll down until I see image. Sometimes it says jetpack image. This one just says image. Image. There we go. Don't forget to wiggle it and do the wee noises or it doesn't work. And I'll drop that down between those two. I can move it later if I like. And what would you use an image for? Well, it can just be for a straight out ad. So it can be a photo of a product, buy this, special offer, coupon, whatever. Maybe you're promoting an event. Click here to find out more, click here to sign up for the event, something like that. I'll use my keynote speaker profile. So hire me as a speaker. Do it now. I need an image URL. So I need to go and find the image and see where the image is hosted online. If your image is not online, you're going to have to upload an image to your website or Instagram or Flickr or somewhere and get the image URL. So let's have a look for an image URL. The image that I want to use is this one, Saxton Speakers Bureau, and I've uploaded it to my website. I recommend that you go on the website if you're using a third-party brand image or somebody else's image and just check for something called a media kit and make sure they give you information how you can use their logo for promotions and which ones you can use, that sort of thing. I'm going to go to widgets and I paste in that URL. So I copy that one, Lowell Papworth, WP content, uploads, paste that in, and now it knows where to pull the image from. Alternative text, that's just for when people arrow over it. We'll say keynote speaker, social media. I'm not going to use a title. A caption will put something on underneath it. We'll see what it looks like and then make a decision whether we want to do that or not. Image alignment, I want it in the center of my sidebar. You might decide left or right, up to you. You can change the width and height. We'll see what it looks like. Now, when people go to that image and they click on it, does nothing happen or does it take them somewhere? I want them to come and have a look at the speaker agency. So I go to my profile, find the exact link that you want, go back to the widget and paste that link in. Really, it's two links. One is a link to the image, so the image displays, and one is a link when people click where they're going to go to. I click save. If that could be a photo of something you're selling, and then that could be a link to the shopping cart. Up to you what you want to do. Now that it's saved, when I refresh my website, hire me as a speaker, Saxton Speakers Bureau, and if they click on that, it takes them to the website. What I might do under widgets here, and it's automatically filled in the width and the height now, it's made a guess. We can say caption, speaking on social media spelled correctly. I know, big data and gamification. They're my three things. That's what I'm passionate about. Click save, back here, refresh. Tell me what you prefer. Do you prefer it with the text or without? Nah, I'm not keen, you know. I think I'm just going to leave the logo there. And it depends on the theme. And the really cool thing is even if you change the theme and the layout and you end up with a completely different theme here and the sidebars over here, all these buttons that you've set up, all these widgets, all these apps are available to you. You'll never have to redo them. It's only if you click delete that they vanish completely, or if you pick them up and drop them here. So here's a tip. If you want to take them off the main sidebars but save them, drag them down the bottom of the page and put them in the inactive widgets area. And that way they don't show live, but you'll have them forever and ever and ever, and you won't have to redo them next week when you change your mind again, like I do. Anyway, that's how you add an image that's clickable of your products, your services, your events, or something you want to show, promote, have people click on in your sidebar. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks.